In this video, I tried to unbox the Amul Pizza. This is the cheapest pizza under 100 rupees. It is most affordable pizza compared to Domino's and other pizza franchises. This is Amul Pizza. It contains 4 premium Amul cheese in topping, and here is the price. Just 110 rupees. Amul Pizza contains the nutritional information, energy, total fat. These are the percentage. It is a frozen pizza. Don't need to microwave. This is Amul Pizza thin crust. Contains 4 premium Amul cheese. Heat and eat. We should heat, then we eat. See method for preparation in back panel. Gas oven, electric oven, tawa frying. This is the pizza. This is the pizza. Here is cheese and all everything in the pizza. This is the Amul Pizza. And this is the chili flakes. This is the heating of Amul Pizza. Heating for only 10 minutes. These are ready to eat. Looking very delicious.
কি দিয়ে আছে না
Very crispy and cheesy. Healthy pizza.
চা